video, I'm going to give you 3 inside secrets of real estate agents. My name is Melissa DeSantis. I'm a realtor with RE/MAX Central in Manalapan, New Jersey. I've been a realtor for almost 13 years and I'm very excited to share my first vlog with you. Okay, so the first inside secret I'm going to share with you is open houses. Most sellers think that open houses are for their benefit, but please think again. An agent does an open house for self-promotion, brand awareness, and to acquire new buyer prospects. In all honesty, open houses are a lead generating tool for agents. And in all my years in the business, I've never sold one of my listings through an open house. The second secret is when a buyer contacts the listing agent directly, thinking that if they go this route, they will get a better deal on the house. This is a very big myth. Why? Well, the seller is paying the commission, the seller hires the listing agent, and the listing agent has a fiduciary responsibility to obtain the highest price for the seller in the shortest amount of time. Although dual agency is legal in New Jersey, I find it a conflict of interest. It's very difficult to represent both parties fairly. As a buyer, find a realtor you trust who's going to represent you and help you get the best price and terms on your new house. Last but certainly not least, please be careful when choosing a realtor that overestimates your home selling price. This is a hush-hush practice that homeowners rarely hear about, but as agents we know all too well. It's called buying the listing. What it means is that some agents want the listing so badly that they'll go along with whatever price you want, even if it's outlandishly above what comparable homes are selling for. They know there's only a minuscule chance that the property will sell at that price, and they fully expect that after weeks on the market with no offers, at that point they can then convince you to reduce the price. This is such a disservice to sellers. Overpricing a home can leave it sitting for months on the market. The home becomes stale, and buyers begin to wonder, what's wrong with this home and why isn't it selling? Ultimately, the seller ends up with less money, not to mention the aggravation, than if they had priced the home correctly from the start. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative. Are there specific questions that you have about what goes on inside the real estate market? If so, please reach out to me or comment on my video.